Well, this was a little unexpected. Yesterday afternoon they said, hey, get ready. We'd already had maybe 2 or 3 inches of snow on the ground, and then they were like, get ready, you're gonna have 10 to 12 inches of snow. So right now we're sitting at about 12 inches of snow, and now they're saying you might be getting another 10 inches of snow. So we've been basically just shoveling off the deck, the Jeeps, shoveling the chickens out, and keeping the wood stove going. Not doing a whole lot outside, just taking care of the bare minimum, if you know what I mean. So it's time for us to restack some firewood, bring some new stuff in. So let's get it knocked out. Hi, Skipper. Hi, buddy. Let's go inside. All right, well, if you see Skipper with his jacket on, that's not because he's cold. That's for us. He is part poodle, and so all the snow just sticks to his hair because he really doesn't have fur. He's got more like of a hair deal, so it sticks to it. Unlike Raven, it just kind of like falls off her. So, and then you see he gets these little snow dingleberries on his coat. So that's why we put the jacket on, because it's less of a cleanup. But he loves it out here. He doesn't want the jacket. He wants to roll around in the snow and have fun. We put that on there for less cleanup for us. So anyways, it's time for us to I gotta go bring the food down to feed the chickens. I already shoveled them out, so they're good, but I gotta feed them, and then we gotta get some snow off the tent. So let's go get that knocked out. It's pretty dark in here, so I don't know if you can see the chickens, but they don't like it too much. They're all kind of huddled together. The good news is that because we're getting snow, we're warming up. So we went from last night I think we got down to 10 degrees. And then today we're in the 20s right now. But starting tomorrow, we're supposed to be back up in the 30s. And then the next day, we're supposed to be lows are in the 30s and highs are in the 40s. So all this white stuff will go away pretty soon, which is good. All right, so now we got to get some stuff knocked off the tents. The brown tent looks okay, but the green tent, I don't know, we'll knock it off of both of them. All right, so I know I'm gonna get some comments that are like, you're supposed to rake that from the outside, not push up on it. Well, on the tent, I've raked it from the outside. I've caught seams, I've put holes in the tent. So from here on out, I go underneath, push it up, bada bing, bada bang. I'll show you how it's supposed to work. Skipper. All right, so that's how it's supposed to work. I do have an extension for this, so I don't have to reach as far, but it's all good. Let's see. I think that's it. I got the water heater hooked up for the tank. We'll have to get water tomorrow. I need to change out propane for the fridge and freezer. But I think that's it. So I'm gonna go inside, get dry, get warm. I think we're good for a little while. Might have to shovel again. All right, well, I think we've got the outside chores done. Guess it's time to go inside, get dry, get all the snowbirds off of Skipper, go sit down by the fire and warm up. Well, it's the next day. We had I don't know, maybe 12 inches yesterday. We probably got about 10 more inches last night. So we got the wood yesterday. We had all this shoveled out. It's completely covered again. So it's now warming up. It's starting to turn from snow to rain. So everything's getting, we got to go basically do everything again because you know, we don't want the rain to hit the snow and weigh it down and collapse the tents and stuff again. So anyways, I'm gonna go knock all that out again. I just wanted to give you a next day update. Man, it got a lot of snow in the last, I guess, day and a half. Anyways, all right, I'm gonna go get busy. You guys have a great week. Remember, live free. I'll see you next week.